inside a jewel-encrusted cage. I deserve the finer things, so I hatched a plan to prey upon Chicago's kings. That's how it all began. I let one think he'd caught me and married twice my age. One could say he bought me